some basic greetings. Kia ora, kia ora. Kōrero mai, kia ora. It's not kia ora, it's kia ora. Kia ora is hello to hello to someone. It's informal. Tēnā koe. Tēnā koe is hello to one person. It's more formal. Tēnā kōrua, hello to two people. Tēnā koutou. Can you say that? Tēnā koutou. Okay, I often hear this mispronounced as tēnā koutou. Well, just be sure those diphthongs are very important. Koutou, koutou. And you can practice on the app. If you do have the app, there is an audio transcription function on the app which will help you master your pronunciation in the privacy of your own home. The next one is tēnā koutou katoa. Tēnā koutou katoa. Good morning, ata Māori e. Mōrena, mōrena e hoa. How are you? Now, if you're learning te reo Māori, you must know this sentence. Kei te pēhea koe. How are you? And we'll teach you some responses to that very soon. If you are saying, how are you to people? Kei te pēhea kōrua. If you are saying, how are you, three or more? Kei te pēhea koutou. Ka pai. And the most common answer, kei te pai. As we say in New Zealand, sweet ass. All good. Yeah, ka pai. In Rotorua, they say, che bro. Kia ora, kei te pai, kei te pēhea koe, kei te pai.